is up, party people? A lot of cats on this road. This is Jim. Thanks for coming along on Jim's Long Road. Today we were out getting some video for the dash cam review, my super secret stealth dash cam review. Saw a lot of reviews on YouTube for motorcycle dash cams, and smoke break. Saw a lot of reviews, and a lot of them said, yeah, the company just sent me this dash cam to try out and tell them what I think. I don't know about you, but it seems kind of like a conflict of interest. I'm not going to say that I'd never take a sponsorship. I mean, hey, if you got something, let me know. But for this dash cam review, I paid out of my own pocket, and I'm going to give you my honest opinion of what I think about it. So I'm not going to go over installation. There's plenty of videos out there, and installation is actually really simple. All you have to do is provide a power and ground, provide a power sense so it knows when to turn on, run a camera to the front, run a camera to the back. There's a GPS receiver with it, a little antenna, and then there's a button, which I have installed right under here, that you can push and lock a video segment. So you see something cool, reach over, hit the button, that locks it so it won't get overridden. So that's the installation. You have the choice if you want to put it on the DVR piece that records on your dash, or like I did, under my seat. The DVR itself is pretty damn basic. So I have a 256 gig micro SD card in there, and it has more than 12 hours of video on it. I did a trip up to Wisconsin, which is a 10.5-hour ride the way I went, and cows. And when I got there, there was still video from a couple days before. So it will hold quite a bit of video. The video is 1080p, 30 frames. There is no changing that. That's all you get. It also has the on-screen display. So it has the date and time, and well, here, let me show you. I'll put it in here so you can see. Now when I do my videos, I don't like that. I think it's distracting. I can't turn it off, so I zoom in my videos a little bit. So the other options in there are mostly towards viewing. There is Wi-Fi, so you can connect your phone and see the video, download the video, but it's super slow, so I just pop out the SD card, and that's how I get the video onto my computer. The cameras are 7-layer cameras, 7 layers of glass and plastic and stuff, and stay. Good car. See, they're well trained around here. That's what I like. It has a Sony sensor in it, and that's pretty good. Now the model up from this was $230 is what I paid for this DVR dash cam setup. And Vsysto's Pro model, the model up, has a video processing chip in addition to the regular processor, and it is $399. So for what I'm using it for, which is peace of mind, I thought that this one would do just fine. So the cameras are good. I've been doing 60 and had a car pass me doing 60 the other direction, and I was able to go and freeze the image and get his license plate. So that's pretty darn good. At night, I think it suffers from the same problem that you see with every dash cam. You see headlights coming towards you, you see taillights going away. If you're lucky, maybe you get a frame of the rear license plate after it goes by, but you're just not going to get anything really good at night off a dash cam. So that is the DVR and the cameras. Now, as far as quality, during daylight, you know, nice bright daylight, it's good. It's really good. I can use that video in my videos. I have started shooting my videos in 1080 30 frames a second, so they match, so I don't have to downscale or upscale anything. Pretty cool. At night, yeah, you're not getting much of that. Is this DVR dash cam setup worth the $230? I don't know how much of a stretch $230 is for you, but I'm going to say a dash cam is worth it. I don't care if you get a little dash cam that doesn't do a real good job, I mean, but can read a license plate, or you can identify a car, or you get a really expensive one. You should have a dash cam. I can't tell you how many times I've been riding down the road and somebody's looking at their phone and comes across the line, or they're right next to me and they're on their phone. I can look over and see them on their phone, and they're just edging over the line in between our lanes. There's a lot of dumb people out there. There's a lot of really inattentive drivers. I'm sure they're good drivers. They're just really inattentive. And I don't want to be in a he said, she said situation. I would rather be in a he said and I had the video proof to prove that he was wrong. So a dash cam, in my opinion, is worth the money. So if I had to do it again, would I get the M2F, the Vsysto M2F? You know, I'm not sure that I can justify spending $150 more for a little bit better video. But I'm going to try. I am still on the hunt for the best dash cam that I can find, because I want to put one on my other bike, my Vsysto, because next year I am riding that to Alaska with my brother. And in my mind, it will be perfect. We'll be cruising along, and I won't have my GoPros on or anything, but then we'll see a majestic moose standing by the side of the road, or a herd of caribou comes wandering across the road, or a bear is juggling while riding a unicycle. And you wouldn't have that on film unless you had something like a dash cam. So I'll be able to reach up, boop, hit the button. I'll probably put it on this side this time, but rather than over there. I don't like having to take my hand off the throttle, but and then that'll lock that video, and then at night I'll be able to download all those and reformat my card and have another day. So yeah, I'm looking for something that's just got phenomenal quality, and I'm willing to spend a little bit of money to do that, because how often do you get to take a motorcycle trip with your brother and ride up to Prudhoe Bay, Alaska from the Midwest? Really. Hopefully it's not a once in a lifetime, but it just may be. So, would I get the more expensive one? No, not right now. I think this one does a good job. I'll let you watch the video after this, and you can see and tell me what you think of the video. Leave it in the comments below. Let me know if that's good enough quality for you, for what you would use it for. Do me a favor. I ask it every time. Hit the like and subscribe button. Leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think of the video quality. And let me know if you're considering a dash cam for your motorcycle. And let me know if you have a dash cam for your car, because I actually didn't consider getting a dash cam for my motorcycle until after I had one for my car and had somebody run a red light. and I had to slam on my brakes. But if I hadn't, who knows, you know? So, by hitting the like button and making sure you're subscribed, that really helps out the channel. I'm not looking to be 100,000 subscribers, but I wouldn't mind if we got a couple more. This is just too awesome to not be sharing, you know? Out here on the bike, cruising, hitting the long road. Too good. All right. So there you go. Thanks for coming along on Jim's Long Road. Stay watching here. I'm going to put in probably some music because the microphone that's built into the DVR for the dash cam sucks, and all you hear is the motorcycle. So I'm going to put some music and I will let you watch the video. Daylight. I'm going to grab some nighttime video as well, and you can see what you think. Thanks again for coming along on Jim's Long Road. This is Jim. Stay safe.